This is a desperate time for all the FIFOs that have to go 2 and 2. Who's going to look after their lawns? The wives. Teaching her how to mow on the cylinder. Yucky poo, isn't that right, Eli?
Yucky poo! Yucky poo!
Stop.
Yucky poo!
What?
I don't want everyone seeing.
Just do it. Everybody knows it goes over the fence. Hello, welcome to today's special edition. We're joined by Mrs. Ross. Today, with me going away for 2 weeks, we're going to teach her how to mow the lawn. So stay tuned. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Have you ever done this before?
No.
All right, do you know how to turn it on?
No.
All right, first things first. And so you can come back and you can watch this video to learn. All right, Eli, what are you doing? All right, first things first, you want to turn the choke on. Choke and the throttle. Now you want to pull this cord. Oh, hang on, one step, one crucial. Make sure this is always up. Don't engage the blades. Eli, stay clear of the blades. They're dangerous. That's it. All right, now as that goes, start backing off the choke. Pull it right back out. All right, you want to make sure dogs, animals, children are clear. Now, to move it, just let it flat. Watch me. Now watch. Take the camera. Take the camera.
Okay, go, try again.
Don't. What are you doing, Eli? You're doing a great job. Job done.
Done. All right, well, I'll mow the lawns from now on and you can look after the kids.
No, this is my special place. Well done. Congratulations, Mrs. Ross.
Thank you.
Eli, say goodbye. He's busy. Squeeze it, Eli, nice and tight. Moscow.